Well, heidi ho, good neighbor. Let's get another tip of the day. We'll do another random number generator out of maintenance and reliability best practices. Whatever page we land on, we'll give you a tip of the day. If you like this format and are enjoying these tips, don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, sign up for our company newsletter, sign up for a membership at our website. It's free. It gives you access to free downloadables and some other benefits that are members only. So without further ado, let's go to our random number generator and pick a number. So feel free to follow along with your copy of Maintenance and Reliability Best Practices. Vote for your favorite number. Take a guess. See what it's going to land on. I'm guessing 287. Let's see what we got. Ooh, 417. Not even close. Okay. Let's go to page 417, see what we got, and give you today's tip of the day. Let's see how good I am at 417. Oh, that's not bad. 413. Just saying. That could have been worse. I have to turn 2 pages. So, unfortunately, this is the self-assessment questions for managing performance. So what are the benefits of benchmarking? Explain what is meant by a world-class benchmark, benchmark. So there's a bunch of questions on here because it's a chapter review. So let's talk a little bit about benchmarking. So obviously we have our own framework and assessment process, and not to be a salesperson, but you can go to our website right now and we actually offer that as a complete self-assessment, meaning you'll get a bunch of QR codes, or access to the Microsoft Forms to fill out forms, and then you'll have access to a Power BI report where you have benchmarked your plant against best practices. The reason for benchmarking, there are many reasons. A couple of big ones. Number one, in order to know where we're going, we have to kind of know where we're standing, right? When we create the gap analysis. So if we want everybody to go to the North Pole, we kind of need to know if they're standing in the desert or if they're standing in the jungle, so that we can arm them with the right tools to make it through there. And so the benchmarking process or assessment process helps us to understand where we're currently at, so that we can build the steps to get from where we're at to where we intend to go. The other opportunity for benchmarking are things like within your industry. So if you are in the automotive industry and you want to reach out to other automotive companies and benchmark where they are at on their journey, or what practices they have found success with and which practices maybe they have not found success with, what challenges they face, how they articulate risk, all those things are phenomenal. And we happen to be in an industry in maintenance and reliability that is just loaded with folks that are willing to share. And I encourage you to grow your network, go on LinkedIn, connect with people in other companies inside your industry, so that you can even, we'll say, informally benchmark and just create a network and talk to those folks. Formalized benchmarking is phenomenal. We can facilitate that exercise either within an industry or directly within your plant if needed. But understanding exactly where you're at helps you build the strategy to get to where you're going. Otherwise, you are blindly assuming that steps will be successful. So it is incredibly important to assess your organization and benchmark your organization so that you can develop a strategy to move forward and improve your plant. So today's tip of the day, don't underestimate the value of benchmarking and assessment. It is outside of creating your vision, your mission and values, and defining where you intend to go. It's the next step. We have to know where we're at in order to make the strategy to get to where we intend to be. So go assess your plant, go benchmark, and go make tomorrow better than today.